Welcome to the Getting Started with Idea video series presented by Automation Services. The next analysis task we're going to take a look at is summarization, and it's also located on the Analysis tab. Summarization is very similar to the grouping feature that we looked at in a previous video, but a summarization task will create a database by default. You can also choose to add up or total any of the numeric columns that you're summarizing, which is not part of the grouping feature. Have the database that you want to summarize open in the Data panel, and click the Summarization link in the Categorize group. Clicking the link will open the Summarization dialog. In the Fields to Summarize section, you can choose from 1 up to 8 columns to roll up to a single row. The numeric fields in the database are listed to the right, and you have the option here of selecting a numeric column and having the result set created with totals for that column. If you're just interested in a row count, leave all of the numeric columns unchecked, and the summary will just have a row count for each summary value that you choose. In the Statistics to Include section, the sum box will be checked by default, but there are 5 other statistics available, and you can choose any combination of these that you're interested in. Each one of the numeric columns selected above will have the statistics calculated in the output file. And last, you'll want to name the output file. This is the name that will appear in your Project File Explorer panel. Take time to name the file something meaningful and descriptive. This will save you time when you start getting a long list of result sets created in your project. Click OK to have IDEA create the result database. The output file will be a child file located underneath the dataset that you use to create the summary. The new file will have a single row for each of the summary values that you chose. There will always be a column called No of Recs, or Number of Records, with a value that is a count of how many times that value occurred in your data. The count number in blue is an action item. Click any of the counts in IDEA, and it'll display a view of the individual records that make up that number. If you choose to have statistics calculated, the file will also contain columns with the various values all on the same row in the new database. During this short video, we saw how to use the summarization feature in IDEA to roll up and total various items inside of your databases. If you have questions, need more information or assistance using IDEA's summarization feature on your data, give the Automation Services Help Desk a call at 888-641-2800 and choose option 4. Thanks, and make it a great day.